Hello everyone. Today I got a package. So let's see what could possibly be. So the box is already open and let's open it up. And then this is interesting. What is this? Wheelock Eluxa Multitone. This is the successor to the Wheelock MT. And yeah, so it's the LED replacement, pretty much. And I'm the second one on YouTube to have this after Hen Basket. And if we can go open this box up. Just camera down. Here we go. We have our manual right here, like paperwork. We have the alarm here. Comes with this paper. So to remove it, just set the camera down for a second. So here it is right here. Here's paper. Now, see the horn right there? There's your strobe. Can do 15, 30, 75, 110, 135, 185 candela. Here's your tone selector. Looks like there's resin on it. I'll take it off later, but here's your mounting clips. Mounting plate must be somewhere in here. Your screws. And just sit down for a second. Here's your mounting plate. So if we look here, I believe this is your strobe wiring for the strobe right here. And that extra terminal is for like out to the next neck, and then your wires for the horn, and it goes something like this. Yeah, pretty cool alarm. And yeah, I'll make another video of me testing it, but yeah. So this though, I'll plan on removing this later, but yeah. So yeah, second one on YouTube to have this. And yeah, so also, let's see. I believe this has all the same 8 tones as the regular MT has. Slow whoop, siren, high, low, horn, bell, march, and code 3 horn, code 3 tone, high and low volume. Yep. Yeah. So, that's it for this video. And yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video where I'll be testing this alarm on its factory default tone. And yeah, that's it for today. Goodbye.